Today's video is all about slow motion on the Insta360 Go. Have you got a Go? Have you used this slow motion feature yet? If you haven't, I highly recommend giving it a try. And when you watch this video, you'll see why. Hi, I'm Sarb Johal and welcome to my channel, which is all about mobile and 360 video and photography and how to edit for great results. Be sure to subscribe to make sure you don't miss out on any more of my videos, and don't forget to like this video too if you like it. Now, if you've watched my videos before, you'll know that I'm quite a big fan of the Insta360 Go as part of my toolkit, because you can use this in all kinds of situations where it's not really convenient to use other types of cameras, or it has features which are just really useful. Now, one of the features that I've not seen anybody talking about is the ability for the Insta360 Go to capture slow motion. Now, it can capture slow motion as 1600 by 900 at 100 frames per second with a bitrate of 40 Mbps. 1600 by 900 is also known as the little known standard of HD+, somewhere between 720p and HD or 1080p, also known as Full HD. So it's not perfect, but it's still impressive for what is such a tiny device linked to your phone. Not too shabby at all. Now, to achieve slow motion with cameras like the Go, you record at a faster frame rate and then play back at a normal rate. While 24 frames per second is a standard movie recording speed, many of today's smartphones and other digital devices can record footage at up to 120 FPS or 240 frames per second. And when you play the footage back at normal speed, you can see the full slow-mo effect. But why would you want to use slow motion anyway? Well, slow motion is widely used by filmmakers, and that means YouTubers too, for a few different reasons. Now, slow motion can be used for artistic effect, to create a romantic or a suspenseful vibe, or to really focus on a moment in time. But the main reason is when you have action in your video and you want to slow it down to show something happening in clear focus to get your viewers' attention. So make sure you've got something happening, something in motion that's interesting if you really want to use slow motion to its best effect. I know it should go without saying, but you'd be surprised at the number of videos out there using slow motion when there really isn't anything much to be slowing the motion of. So in this test of slow motion on the Go, I want you to remember that the whole video, the entire thing coming up from right now, was captured using slow motion mode only, just to show you what's possible. And I was controlling the camera via a Bluetooth connection from my phone. The footage was completely edited and output on my iPhone, and I selected both motion blur and color plus options for the output, and then I brought it together later using LumaFusion to create the final video. So all the motion blur and speed ramps were created in-app. I'd be really keen to hear what you think after you've watched the footage. And if you watched my video from last week, you'll also recognize the guest star again this week as Benji, as I took him down to the beach to capture his run in slow motion and a few of his doggy friends too. So let's jump into it and roll the footage.
We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long and sing on to every song.
So what did you think of the quality of the slow motion capture on the Insta360 Go? Although it's by no means professional quality, it's a fun feature to use, particularly if you're doing something where you wouldn't want to risk your phone getting damaged, perhaps by trying to capture slow motion. Your phone might be able to do it in better quality, but it's a trade-off for sure, and interesting to know that you can use it in this way, I think. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you found it useful, and maybe consider subscribing for more of my content too. Here's some other of my videos of mine that you might find interesting or useful. Please take a look around, and thanks again for watching. Cheers and go well.